Have you ever wondered why some educational strategies work while others fall flat? The secret often lies in how well the educators and leaders utilize research in their decision making. But with so much information out there, how do you know where to start? Today, we're going to talk about the three C's of research utilization. Hi, friends, I'm Courtney, and here we talk all about education, research, and data. If you're into that, make sure you like and subscribe and come be a part of our community. The three C's, consumer, curator, and creator of research, are essential roles that every educator and leader should embrace. As a consumer, you're staying up to date with the latest research and making informed decisions. As a curator, you're selecting and organizing research to share with your colleagues and your community. And as a creator, you're contributing your own findings to the field, helping to shape the future of education. Together, these three roles ensure that research isn't just something we read, it's something we actively engage with, apply, and contribute to. In this video, let's dig a little deeper into what each of these three stages of research utilization actually looks like in real life. We'll start with the first C, consumer of research. Being a consumer of research is about actively seeking out and using the best available evidence to inform your decisions. Whether you're a teacher planning a lesson or a school leader drafting an improvement plan, being a consumer of research means that you're committed to basing your practice on solid, reliable information. Education is constantly evolving, and new research is always emerging. By staying informed with the latest studies and findings, you ensure that you're not just relying on outdated methods or gut feelings. Instead, you're making decisions that can be backed by the evidence, which can lead to better outcomes for you and your students. So, how can you become a better consumer of research? Here's three places to get started. First, finding research. Start by identifying credible sources. Academic journals, education research databases, and other reputable education organizations are great places to begin. Tools like Google Scholar can help you access a wide range of studies really quickly. Not all research is created equal. It's crucial to critically evaluate the studies you find. Look at the methodology. How is the research conducted? Who are the participants? Do they look like my students? Are the results statistically significant? More importantly, are they practically significant? Understanding these aspects will help you judge the quality and relevance of your research. Applying the research. Once you've found and evaluated the research, the next step is to apply it in your practice. Think about how the findings relate to your specific context. For example, if a study suggests a new classroom management technique, consider how it might work with your students and their unique needs and behaviors. Let's move on now to the second C, curator of research. While consuming research is about staying informed, curating research is about actively selecting, organizing, and sharing that information with others. This role is incredibly important because it helps to ensure that the right research reaches the right people at the right time. As a curator of research, you're not just absorbing information for your own use. You're also thinking about how you can make that knowledge available and useful to your colleagues, your students, and the wider school community. This could mean anything from sharing a groundbreaking study with your teaching team to organizing a professional development session around a set of key research findings, or even creating a research hub where others can easily access the relevant research that you found. If you're ready to embrace your inner curator, here are three strategies to consider. Selecting the research. Start by identifying research that is relevant to your school's needs or your personal teaching goals. This might involve focusing on a specific topic like classroom management, differentiated instruction, or student engagement. The key is to be selective. Focus in on high-quality, applicable research that can really have an impact on your practice. Organize the research. Once you've gathered relevant research, the next step is to organize it in a way that's easy to access and understand. This might mean creating a digital library of articles, studies, and reports, or maybe summarizing key findings in a way that's easy for others in your building to digest. Tools like Google Drive, Evernote, or specialized research platforms like Mendeley can be really useful here. Sharing the research. The final step in curation is sharing what you found with others. This could be as simple as emailing a research article to a colleague, or as involved as presenting at a staff meeting. The goal is to make sure that the valuable research isn't just sitting on your computer, it's being used by everyone to inform educational practice across your school and district. Remember that curating research isn't just about collecting and sharing any and all studies. It's about filtering and contextualizing that research to make it accessible and relevant. As the curator, you need to consider your specific context and your school and your classroom. Not all research will be directly applicable, so it's your job to interpret it and help others see how it can be adapted to fit their needs. Finally, let's dive into the third C, becoming a creator of research. While consuming and curating research are essential roles for educators, becoming a creator of research takes your impact to a whole new level. Becoming a creator of research means generating new knowledge that can help inform and improve educational practices. This could involve conducting your own studies, engaging in action research projects, or collaborating with research to explore specific challenges in your school or classroom. By creating research, educators can directly contribute to the body of knowledge that shapes our whole field. When you share your own findings, whether through publication, presentation, or professional networks, you're influencing how others think about and approach similar challenges. Researchers are the original influencers. This can lead to improvements not just in your own practice, but across the wider education community as a whole. Now, becoming a creator of research doesn't require that you get a job at a university. You can research education right in your own setting, and here's a few pathways you can take. Engage in action research. Action research is a reflective process where educators identify a problem in their own classroom or school, implement a strategy to address it, and then collect data to see how well it worked. This cycle of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting helps you generate practical insights that can immediately improve your teaching and benefit your students. Participate in research practice partnerships. Research practice partnerships, or RPPs, involve collaboration between educators and researchers to address a specific educational challenge. In an RPP, you might work closely with a university or research organization to co-design studies, interpret the data together, and implement those findings in your school. This type of partnership ensures that the research is directly relevant to your context and that you have a hand in shaping the questions that are being asked. Develop a collaborative inquiry group. Collaborative inquiry involves forming a group of educators who share a common interest in a particular issue or challenge. Together, you conduct small-scale research projects, share those findings, and discuss how to apply them within your practice. This approach leverages the collective expertise of the group and fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement within your school or district. It also provides a little extra accountability so you actually get the project done. Through the lens of the 3 Cs, consumer, curator, and creator, we can see how research can truly come to life in our educational processes. These roles provide a clear framework for not just understanding research, but for actively using it to shape a better future for our students and our schools. I want to challenge you to think about how you're currently engaging with research in your current role. Are you consuming, curating, or creating? How can you deepen your practice in each of these areas? Remember, the power of research lies not just in reading it, but in applying it, sharing it, and contributing to it. If you found value in this video today, make sure you like and subscribe, and check out some of the other videos on my channel. I'll see you next time.